In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move contacts in Zoho CRM. This simple process can make managing your contacts more efficient, allowing you to save time and keep your CRM up to date. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the homepage of your Zoho CRM. This serves as the central hub for all your CRM activities, and from here you'll have easy access to various features, including your contacts. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Contacts tab. This tab is typically found on the left-hand side of your dashboard, where all your major CRM functionalities are conveniently listed. Once you've clicked on Contacts, you'll find yourself looking at a list of all your current contacts. Here you can manage, update, and interact with each contact as needed. To initiate the process of moving or transferring contacts, you'll need to locate the Actions button. It's usually represented by a drop-down menu, offering a selection of tasks you can perform on your contacts. Next, select the Mass Transfer option from the drop-down menu. The Mass Transfer feature is especially useful when you need to relocate multiple contacts from one user to another quickly. It allows you to handle bulk data without manually adjusting each contact individually. After selecting Mass Transfer, you'll be prompted to choose a user to transfer from. This is where you'll specify which user's contacts you want to move. Clicking on this option will allow you to see a list of users within your organization. Take your time to select the correct user, ensuring that you're looking to move contacts from the appropriate person or account. Once you've selected the user, confirm your choice by clicking on Done. Double-checking this selection can save you from transferring the wrong data, so be sure you're confident in your choice before proceeding. Now, you need to choose the user to whom you want to transfer the contacts. Much like before, you'll be presented with a list of users, but this time you're selecting the recipient of the contacts. Choose the correct recipient and confirm your choice by clicking Done again. At this stage, you'll be required to fill up the criteria that determine which specific contacts should be moved. This could be based on parameters like date added, industry, or any custom fields you've set up in your CRM. Input any relevant search criteria to help filter the results to those you intend to move. Finally, hit Search to initiate the process. Zoho CRM will filter through your contacts based on the criteria you've set, ensuring that only the relevant contacts are transferred. And there you have it, a successful transfer of contacts within your Zoho CRM. With these steps, you can keep your CRM organized and update your team's information effortlessly. Thank you for watching and happy CRM managing.